In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and install Algos in Ctrader. We'll walk through exporting a CBOT or indicator you've already built, and then setting up a fresh CBOT in your platform so you can install and compile your work cleanly. If you're new to Ctrader, this process helps you share Algos between machines, back up your code, or keep a tidy library of strategies. Start by launching Ctrader on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspaces. Once you're in, look over to the sidebar and click the Automate tab. This is the area dedicated to algorithmic trading, where your CBOTs and indicators are organized and where you can edit, build, and manage them. Find the CBOT or indicator you want to export. Click to select it so it's highlighted. Then click the Export button. Exporting packages the source files and any required resources into a portable file that you can move, store, or share. It's a safe way to preserve the exact version of your algo without relying on your project folders. When prompted, choose a destination folder on your computer. Pick a location you'll remember, such as a dedicated Algos folder. Using clear, versioned file names and keeping related items together can save you time later, especially if you maintain multiple strategies or variants. Now, let's install by creating a new CBOT inside Ctrader. Click New and choose CBOT. This opens a fresh project where you can set things up cleanly. Give it a descriptive name and click Create. Consistent naming helps you identify the strategy's purpose and version at a glance, which is especially helpful when you test multiple ideas. With the new CBOT open, add an indicator to your project. This step connects the technical signals your strategy will read, things like moving averages or oscillators, to the CBOT framework. Make sure the indicator inputs and timeframes align with how you plan to trade, so your logic reads the correct data. Next, add your trading logic. This is where you define when to enter and exit trades, how to manage risk, and which symbols or timeframes to target. Keep your conditions clear and organized, and consider using meaningful parameter names so you can adjust settings quickly during testing. Finally, click Build. This compiles your code and checks for errors. If the build completes successfully, your CBOT is ready inside the Automate section. If you see messages, read them carefully to spot typos or missing references. With a clean build, you've successfully exported your algo, set up a new CBOT, integrated indicators and logic, and prepared it for use.